Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, in previous live lecture class which was held last Sunday, we discussed about some parts of antifungal drugs. Today we discuss remaining parts of the antifungal drug. We know about fungus, we know classification of fungi, we also know the classification of antifungal drugs. There are different classification according to mechanism of action, according to chemical structure, according to therapeutic or clinical uses. We also know the toxicity of antifungal drug. We know antifungal drugs are more toxic than the antibacterial drug due to some factors. Antifungal drugs have non-selective toxicity and antibacterial drugs have selective toxicity. We know about two antifungal drugs. First, we know the amphotericin B and the nystatin. Now I discuss the another groups of drugs. Another important groups is anti-metabolite drug, that is flucytosine. Flucytosine is a cytosine moiety. It is pyrimidine analog, 6-membered ring structure, possessed 2 in atoms. Previously it is used as anti-cancer drug but was proved to have potent action against Cryptococcus species and Candida species. Flucytosine, it's a prodrug converted to 5-flucytosine. Human cell cannot convert it to 5-flucytosine. Adverse effects of flucytosine is bone marrow toxicity, GIT upset, alopecia, skin rashes, itching, rarely hepatitis. Uses in combination with amphotericin B in cryptococcal meningitis. Narrow spectrum of action. Mechanism of action is nucleic acid synthesis inhibitors. We are showing the flow chart. Fungus cell membrane which contain enzyme cytosine permease which convert flucytosine inactive form to active form 5-flucytosine, and 5-flucytosine converted to 5-fluorouracil by the enzyme cytosine deamylase. Flucytosine 5-fluorouracil inhibit the DNA synthesis and inhibition of protein synthesis, thereby acts as a nucleic acid synthesis inhibitors. Cytosine permease and deaminase, the enzyme, are present only in the fungal cells and absent in the mammalian cell. Hence, activation of 5-flucytosine to 5-fluorouracil occurs only in fungal cells, causing inhibition of both DNA and protein synthesis, resulting in fungicidal action. That is, in human cell, flucytosine not converted to 5-flucytosine or 5-fluorouracil because human cell not contain this enzyme cytosine permease and deaminase. Another next important group is azoles, synthetic antifungal drugs. They are broad spectrum, fungistatic or fungicidal activities depend on concentration of drugs. Most commonly useful drug at present situation, drug of choice, classified as imidazole and triazole. Imidazole, 2 nitrogen in structure. There are different formulations, topical and systemic. Topical imidazole are iconazole, miconazole, clotrimazole, and systemic is ketoconazole. Newer, not so important but nice to know, butaconazole, oxyconazole, salconazole. Triazole, most common useful drug. The 3 nitrogen in structure, fluconazole, itraconazole, boriconazole. And both these groups are, that is triazole and imidazole, structurally related compounds, have same mechanism of action, have similar antifungal spectrum. Mechanism of action, same of all azoles. Cicolin form lenosterol, lenosterol then converted to ergosterol. Azoles inhibiting the synthesis of ergosterol, thereby disrupts membrane function and increase permeability. Ketoconazole, first orally effective broad spectrum antifungal drug. It is effective against dermatophytes, mycosis, candidiasis. Pharmacokinetics, ketoconazole effective orally, acidic environment favors for absorption, that is it needs acidic environment for absorption. If we use anti-ulcerant drug, thereby decrease the acid, hampers absorption. High protein binding drug, readily distributed, not to blood-brain barrier, metabolized in liver, excreted in bile. Half-life is 8 to 10 hours. Dose is not so important but nice to know, 200 milligram once daily or twice daily. Adverse effect, nausea, vomiting, anorexia, headache, alopecia, paresthesia. Most important adverse effect is decreased steroid, testosterone and estrogen synthesis, thereby cause gynecomastia, oligospermia, loss of libido and impotence in males, menstrual irregularities and amenorrhea in females, elevation of liver enzymes, hypersensitivity reaction, skin rashes, itching. Drug interaction, cyclosporin, phenytoin, tolbutamide, warfarin. These drugs concentrate in the serum because ketoconazole inhibit the macrosomal enzyme, thereby decrease mechanism of this drug. Resulting effect, increase serum concentration, thereby increase the toxicity these groups of these drugs, that is cyclosporin, phenytoin, tolbutamide and warfarin. And when these drug use with ketoconazole effects also inhibited, thereby therapeutic failure of ketoconazole. Fluconazole, this is the triazole, most common useful drug, water soluble drug, oral, IV, as well as topical. Different formulation we can use. It is broad spectrum antifungal activity. Candida, Cryptococcus, coccidiomycosis, dermatophytosis, blastomycosis, histoplasmosis, sporotrichosis, not effective against aspergillosis and mucormycosis. Pharmacokinetics, remember this in contrast to ketoconazole. Ketoconazole oral bioavailability relatively less, where fluconazole is more 94%, not affected by food or gastric juice, but ketoconazole affected by gastric pH. Primarily excreted unchased in urine, but ketoconazole metabolized in the liver and excreted through bile. Ketoconazole T-half is short, but fluconazole T-half is long, 25 to 30 hours. Poor protein bindings, but ketoconazole highly protein binding drug. Widely distributed, crosses blood-brain barrier. Ketoconazole less cross the blood-brain barrier. Adverse effect more in ketoconazole, less in fluconazole. It inhibits cytochrome 450 in lesser extent, thereby lesser drug metabolism, thereby less drug interaction. No anti-androgenic and other endocrine effects, but ketoconazole having anti-androgenic effect. Thereby we say ketoconazole is more toxic drug than fluconazole. So ketoconazole use is limited, but drug of choice is fluconazole because its safety profile relatively safe than ketoconazole. In examination, both written and viva, question is what are the difference between ketoconazole and fluconazole? Uses of fluconazole. Dose, it not so important for you, but it is nice to know. 150 milligram oral dose can cure vaginal candidiasis with few relapse. We can use as vaginal candidiasis. Oral candidiasis, 2 weeks treatment required. Tinea infection and cutaneous candidiasis, 150 milligram weekly for 4 weeks. Tinea ongoing 12 months. Systemic fungal infection, disseminated candidiasis, cryptococcal, coccidioidal meningitis, 200 to 400 milligram per day, 4 to 12 weeks or longer. Meningitis, it is the preferred drug. Eye drops for fungal keratitis. Available in the market, fluconazole, 1 tablet contain 50 milligram. Voriconazole, it is not important for all, but nice to know. It is used for invasive aspergillosis. Previously, amphotericin being used. Now, drug of choice is voriconazole because amphotericin be having toxicity, especially it is a nephrotoxic drug. It is also improved for treatment of invasive candidiasis as well as serious infection. All azoles are teratogenic, hence azoles are contraindicated in pregnancy and lactating mother. Terbinafine, this is the another group of antifungal drug, orally and topically effective drug against candida and dermatophytosis. dermatophytes. It has fungicidal effect, shorter course of therapy, and low relapse rates. We know the mechanism of action. It acts by inhibiting the lenosterol and ergosterol. Pharmacokinetics: oil absorbed orally, more than 75% absorbed, highly keratophilic and lipophilic, high protein bound, poor blood-brain barrier permeability. T half is 2 to 15 days. T half 15 days. Negligible effect on cytochrome P450, less enzyme inhibitors. Adverse effects of terbinafine: nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, taste disturbance. This is the important adverse effect. Hepatic dysfunction, topical erythema, itching, dryness, urticaria. Uses: dermatophytosis, topically or orally, 2 to 6 weeks. Onychomycosis, first line drug, 3 to 12 months. Candidiasis, less effective, 2 to 4 weeks therapy may be used as alternative, 250 mg once daily. Topical agent used to dermatophytes: benzoic acid, used in combination with salicylic acid. Market it available as Whitefield. Benzoic acid 6% plus salicylic acid 3%. Salicylic acid, due to its keratolytic action, helps to remove infected tissue and promotes penetration of benzoic acid in fungal infected lesions. Adverse effect is irritation and burning sensation. Previously, this is the most useful drug. Nowadays, limited use. Drug for cutaneous mycotic infection: mold-like fungi that cause cutaneous infection, called dermatophytes or tinea. Common dermatophytes mycosis, such as tinea infection, that appear as rings or round red patches with clear centers, are often referred to as ringworm. Ringworm, this is a misnomer because fungi rather than worm cause this disease. Ringworm, this not caused by worm, so it is a misnomer. Ringworm disease is caused by fungi, not by worm. Positive agents are trichophyton, microsporum, and epidermophyton. Terbinafine, used for oral and cutaneous. Oral terbinafine is the drug of choice for treating dermatophyte onychomycosis. Fungal infection of nails therapy require 3 months. Terbinafine, previously we discussed. Terbinafine used in the cutaneous infection. Two formulation we use: oral form for dermatophyte onychomycosis, topical terbinafine, it is 1% cream, gel or solution, is used to treat tinea pedis, tinea corporis, tinea cruris, infection of the groin. Duration of treatment usually 1 week. That is, tinea is treated topically with terbinafine. Glycofulvin, this is the older drug. Now it is not so much use, limited use. Obtained from Streptomyces gracias, effective against dermatophytes. Oil absorbed orally. Absorption is enhanced in the presence of lipophilic substances. Accumulation is enhanced in tissues made up of keratin, such as skin, nails, and hair. Can prevent further spread but cannot treat already infected keratinocytes. Mechanism of action we previously discussed. It is inhibit the spindle for mitotic division and inhibit the cell division, thereby fungistatic activity. Adverse drug reaction, it causes rashes, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, mild hepatotoxicity. Therapeutic use, Tinea unguium, Tinea corporis, dermophyte infection. Is a case study. Which of the following antifungal agents is most likely to cause renal deficiency? Question is, which of the following antifungal agent is most likely to cause renal insufficiency? Fluconazole, amphotericin B, itraconazole, and posaconazole. Which of the following antifungal agent most likely to cause renal deficiency? Nephrotoxic drug is amphotericin B. More nephrotoxic drugs. It is more nephrotoxic than other drugs. Correct answer, amphotericin B is the best choice since nephrotoxicity is commonly associated with this reason. Amphotericin B is nephrotoxic. Although the dose of fluconazole must be adjusted for renal insufficiency, it is not associated with causing nephrotoxicity. That is, fluconazole is less nephrotoxic, not associated with nephrotoxicity. Itraconazole and posaconazole are metabolized by the liver and are not associated with nephrotoxicity. Thank you all. Allah Hafiz.